On the ongoing inspection, yes, FDA for no pay more amount from Nano Crane, Yamian, Bush, nipa da se de ɛtwe nsuo de yɛ nsuo ɛma nkurɔfoɔ no ma ɛwɔ so what is happening nsuo ma poto bebree. Yes, you could discover that the place was not good at all. Looking at the water that is being used to produce water for people, and how shit dinosaur secret building dinosaur, you would never know that's a warehouse for producing water with security cameras. So before any personnel or any police officer gets there, they will already receive the information from the camera mounted up there. Now, surroundings in as well. There's nothing to write home about. Maybe I'll be in super now. Surroundings in as well. There's nothing to write home about. Now, share say manufacturing company insecticides I was any inside ensuring producing the were some available there. These are some of the water displaying and the machines being used, even they don't even have the right equipment. But carrying on with water processing and selling them at cheaper rates. I'm mentioning back on 2, 4, 5 city, which is very disheartening. So as part of the initiative, the FDA just closed down the place because your safety matters. And take a look at the surrounding of the place. Very, very, very bad. Stay tuned as we will have exclusive updates.
So you see, there are two different people in the sachet water business. Yes, two different people. There are people who have long-term goals for their business, and there are people who are money-centered. You see, setting up the sachet water business and then started working and making money doesn't end there. The longevity of your factory or your company matters the most. Hygiene matters the most. Look at the kind of water you are treating for people to drink. It will be even more professional and hygienic if you had covered the well. You can dig a well, cover it, create just insert your pipe holes and create a very tiny hole where the pipe holes will pass, and that's it. If there is anything, you do a temporary cover. If there is any emergency, you can open up. But leaving it just bare like this for mosquitoes, laying eggs, urinating, defecating, doing everything there, like this one, any animal can die inside. Lizard can die, mouse can die, and people are drinking. They see you sometimes go to the hospital and may be diagnosed of what do you call it, typhoid fever, and then you will drink all sort of medicine. It will never leave you, because after drinking the medicine you still go back and drink this kind of sachet water on the market. This company actually didn't force at all. How can you treat this water for people to drink? You are thinking about only your money. No. So I'm glad that FDA is now going around and doing this checks. It's very, very relevant for them to do that, so that at least we'll be safe when in terms of sachet water. When you are drinking water, please stick to one brand. If you are drinking one brand, make sure that where you're buying from, the source is genuine. Had it not been FDA inspection, we wouldn't have known this thing even exists. See where people are treating. So that is raw water like that. The raw water source is the well, and they are treating that one into a pure water tank for people to drink. You see, when you're doing this, you're not only doing anybody. Don't think that you are causing harm to people. You are also causing harm to your own factory, because this kind of water, you are destroying your membrane. So you keep buying membrane over and over and over, and you wouldn't understand why. Please, if you are setting up a sachet water, this is if it is a lifetime business to you, take time, plan very well. If you are digging a borehole, if you are digging a well or digging a well, please cover it. Try to cover your well and insert a pipe in it. Leaving, oh my goodness, how can you do this? So if you are not, if that all you are thinking about is the money, you are selling every day, you are receiving money, you didn't even think that one day will be a bad day for you. You see, my only advice I can give to producers out there is that try as much as you can to draw from a reliable source. I mean, a hygienic source. Don't think that you are done with the FDA process and that's all. Nobody is coming to check. Please, please, please. If you need to plan before starting, there is no problem with that. If it will take you 1.5 years to set up a sachet water, don't be in a rush. Don't rush to go and set up and do things that will cost you in the future. This situation, you can be fined a very huge amount, because imagine the number of people that you have sold your product to. Come on, bro. You cannot do this. You cannot do this anywhere. Let us try to do the right thing. Thank you very much for watching. This is your boy Nick Asa. If you are looking to purchase sachet water machines, if you are looking to set up, you can contact me. My number on the screen, and then we will do a very neat work for you. If you need consultation, if there is anything that you want to know, you can reach out to me. All right. See you in another video.